Tips to help you care for your curly hair naturally. Moisturize regularly. Curly hair tends to be dry as natural oils have a harder time traveling down the hair shaft. Use natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil to moisturize and hydrate your curls. Apply the oil to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Use sulfate-free and gentle shampoos. Sulfates can strip curly hair of its natural oils, causing it to become dry and frizzy. Opt for sulfate-free or mild shampoos that won't overly dry out your hair. Conditioning is key. Use a good conditioner specifically formulated for curly hair. Look for products that are rich in moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, aloe vera, or glycerin. Deep condition your hair regularly to maintain moisture. Detangle gently. Use a wide-toothed comb or your fingers to detangle your hair while it's wet and coated with conditioner to prevent breakage. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. Avoid heat styling. Minimize the use of heat styling tools such as straighteners and curling irons, as they can damage curly hair. Embrace your natural curls and opt for heatless styling methods like air drying or using soft curlers. Protect your hair while sleeping. Use a satin or silk pillowcase or wrap your hair in a silk scarf to minimize friction and reduce frizz while sleeping. Trim regularly. Regular trims help prevent split ends and keep your curls looking healthy and bouncy. Limit washing frequency. Washing curly hair too often can strip away its natural oils. Try to wash your hair only when necessary to maintain moisture. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein can contribute to healthier hair. Foods like fish, nuts, fruits, and vegetables support overall hair health. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for maintaining hair health and hydration.